brothers. Still in this bitch. Yeah. Yeah. Listen, yeah. 2 a.m. I just faced it now. Ignoring calls, she'll hate me for it. I'm in my zone, I can't break the focus. Gotta get the bread, the money waiting for me. Yo, Kev, when you gonna drop a tape, man? I'm not Wayne, but I'm sorry for the wait, man. I done had a lot of shit up on my plate, man, but I'm glad I was blessed with the patience. Listen, hopped up in a whip with a bad bitch that I just met last night. Said she got a man, but she wanna play, and she rolls weed too, and that ass right. Yo, what's with all of these silly females? Always waiting on chilling details. She's blowing up my cell phone, oh hell nah. Yo, common struggles get the best of us. I feel like I can't rest my trust. So when it's gone, what's left to lust, man? Got you wishing that you catch the bus, and if you got it, you can match with us, man. It's just been a long road, I'm just trying to get it fixed and patch it up. Plus, these days it's so hard to like just be friends, cause you end up fucking and the feelings start coming, man, not that shit again. I'm too young to stress, I'm so young and blessed. I live life on the road, did what I was told, and I am running for the goal. On the road and I'm going places, not looking back. About a year ago I could've called it on, now look at that. No days off, always on the clock, but it pays. I don't have another way. It just seems like these days just go on and on and on, and it just goes on and on and on, and it all goes on and on and on. That shit goes on and on and on, and on and on and on. That shit goes on and on and on, that shit goes on and on and on, just goes on and on and on, said it just goes on and on and on, goes on and on and on. All the bullshit that I've been through, I made the best of it. And I'm handing out that paper like I'm testing kids. Probably up in my room with the lights low, thinking fast but I always seem to write slow. It's not really that I'm looking for a typo, I'm just really kinda trying to keep a tight flow. We disinvested, got nothing to lose. You feel that shit? Yeah, okay. I got time to use, no time to waste, cause wasted time don't pay. Ain't got time to be broke, time to be so locked down like constant keyholes. Doing what I can now, so when I die a hero. Listen, man, I do this here for the family and all the ones who abandoned me. And shout out to all of my enemies, they all really wanna see the end of me. I don't get it, I never will, so I'ma just keep living life and doing me. I'm clever still, these cones stuff to the brim, boy, I'm gone. Don't hit me with that bullshit on my phone. When I'm writing shit, my door's locked, man, leave me alone. And I'm running fast like running back. She throw the pussy, I run it back, and I'm running facts, gone. On the road and I'm going places, not looking back. About a year ago I could've called it on, now look at that. No days off, always on the clock, but it pays. I don't have another way. It just seems like these days just go on and on and on, and it just goes on and on and on.